Dear children, I am Deepak Bodh of your EVS teacher. Today I am going to describe a lesson which topic is from tasting to digesting. In this chapter we will read about the food and its digestion. The LO of this lesson is to know about digestion, to learn about taste organs and diet of a person, to know the importance of good food, and next is to know the importance of glucose in our daily life, and at last understand the importance of balanced diet. Key point of this chapter: we need different type of food to get energy and to grow. Second, the food we eat cannot be used by the body as it is. Third points will be food has to be broken into simpler and soluble form that the body can use. Fourth point is which part of body knows the taste of food? Can you tell something about which part of body knows the taste of food? Yes, it is tongue. You know how can we taste the food? We take taste of food by the taste bud of our tongue. Our tongue has 4 taste bud. First one is sweet, second one is salty, and after that sour, and at last bitter. Front part is sweet, and after that in between middle part is salty, and after that sour, and at last bitter. You know what is digestion? Digestion is the process by which digestive system in our body break down the complex food into simple and soluble substance which our body is able to use. It means digestion is a process which digest our food. We digestive system. Do you know the digestive system? Digestive system is a very complex system in our body. Digestion starts from the mouth. In our mouth there are salivary glands which secrete the saliva. After that food enter into esophagus. Esophagus means food pipe, and after that through the food pipe it reach into stomach, and in stomach liver, pancreas, gallbladder, these are the organs which secrete the digestive juice, and digestive juice mixed with the food and digest the food, and after that it reach to the small intestine and large intestine. After the digestion, waste material uh, uh, take out by the anus from the body. Main part of digestive system and its function. First part is mouth. Mouth do the taste, chew and grind the food. Second one is food pipe. Food goes into the stomach with food pipe. Third one is liver and pancreas. They secrete digestive juice called bile juice. Fourth is stomach. Stomach store the food and help in digestion. Fifth is small intestine. From the stomach, food go into small intestine. Food is completely digested here. In small intestine, food is completely digested. After that, large intestine. Large intestine is undigested food goes to large intestine. And at last, the part of digestive system is anus. All solid waste thrown out through the main part. The food we eat take the time. You can see in the picture unboiled milk take time to digest in stomach 2 hour and 15 minutes, and in the glass with digestive juice it take 4 hour and 45 minutes. In this way you can see here unboiled milk, boiled milk, full boiled eggs, half boiled eggs, raw egg beaten and raw egg. Raw egg take 1 hour 30 minutes in stomach to digest, and in glass with digestive juice it take 4 hour. You can digestion start in mouth. I told earlier, mouth has teeth, tongue and salivary gland, and you can see in picture there are teeth in our mouth. There are 32 teeth in our mouth, but their name is premolar, canine, incisor and molar. There are four kind of teeth in our mouth. First is canine, second one is incisor, third one is molar and last premolar. Digestion. What is the function of teeth in our mouth? You can see incisor. There are 8 incisors in our mouth and they are cutting and biting the food. After incisor, canine. Canine are 4 in number and it helps to tear and piercing the food. Premolar is 8 in our mouth and they are used to crushing and grinding the food. And after that, molar is 12 in number and it is used to crushing, grinding and mastication of the. What is the function of teeth? Salivary gland and saliva. Salivary gland, it is present in mouth and secrete saliva. Saliva make the taste of the food and it also helps in digestion. What is balanced diet? The diet in which adequate amount of nutrients include is called balanced diet. You can see in picture, fruit and vegetables has 40%, protein is 25%, fiber rich carbohydrate is 25%, and fat is 10%. These are the nutrients which percentage are which percentage can be included in diet. Nutrients of balanced diet and its sources. Antioxidant can be found in fruits. Calcium is found in almond, broccoli, and so on. Iron can be found in eggs, meat, and green vegetables. Vitamin C is found in citrus food, which is sour in taste, and complex carbohydrate can be found in you can see in the picture, and protein is in milk and meat, eggs, etc. Nutrients of balanced diet and its source. You can see in the picture, protein can found in meat, fish, poultry, eggs, dairy, legumes, nuts, and its function is formation of muscles, bones, blood, enzymes, some hormones, cell membrane, tissue repair, regulate water, acid, base, and balance. And carbohydrate can be found in grains, fruits, vegetable. Fats are animals and vegetables. It means meats. Vitamins can be found in fruits, vegetables, grains, meat, and dairy. Mineral can be found in most food group. Function of mineral is regulate body function, assist growth, catalyst of energy release. And after that, water is very much important in diet. Water, liquid, fruits, vegetables, in these things we can find the water. Water provide a medium for the transport chemical reactions, regulate temperature, remove waste. 50 to 70% of body weight is nutrients of balanced diet and its instant energy. Instant energy, we can take these Glucon-D and electrol powder to get instant energy. Glucose is a type of sugar which gives instant energy, and you all have must seen the glucose drip in hospital. Glucose drip is given to the patient for the instant energy. ORS. ORS means oral rehydration solution. The full form of ORS is oral rehydration solution. It can be found in government hospital, and you can make it in your home also. Take 1 liter of water and 6 level teaspoon of sugar. It means 6 spoon sugar and half teaspoon salt mixed with the 1 liter of water, and you can make it on its own. Some person cannot get the balanced food, and that person is suffer from the malnutrition. What is malnutrition? Mal means deficiency. People who do not eat enough food suffer from malnutrition. Malnutrition leads to deficiency disease. That deficiency disease is marasmus and kwashiorkor. Thank you.